Okay, y'all. Hey, this is a very special moment for me because the day has finally arrived. I got my FREYARA Cosmetics cavitation machine. It's an ultrasonic cavitation machine. So I'm just going to be unboxing it with you, and let's see. I have not opened it yet. I just wanted to see what we got here. I'm very excited. So as I'm opening this, I'm going to tell you a little bit about my journey. In July of 2025, I ended up having liposuction done, and it was one of the best things that I think I could have done just for me, my personal body goals, and what I wanted for myself. However, what they do not tell you about liposuction is, oh wow, I could tell right away this is quality. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I could tell right away this is going to be quality. Look at this, y'all. I'm sorry. I just got sidetracked here. Look at this. I mean, very sturdy cord right away. And it's heavy. It is not like some flimsy thing that you get off of TikTok Shop. Okay. Sorry, TikTok Shop. No offense. But this right here, straight out the bat, straight out of the gate, it's giving quality. But yeah, so a part of me keeping up my, my results is doing wood therapy, ultrasound cavitation, radiation, all of that. That's what I wanted to do for myself. Now, with that being said, I was getting these services done. It was costing me anywhere from $100 to $120 per session. And I figured to myself, okay, it's great to go to a professional, but I've been in enough of these appointments to where I feel like, you know what, I think I can do this on my own. It's not very hard. That does not mean I don't recommend that you seek anybody except a professional. But for me personally, and what I want to do for me, this works best for me. So I spent $170 on this machine flat. Like, it was $169.99, no tax. So I don't know if they were having like a sale or what going on. I don't know. But this is the 4-in-1 slimming machine. I don't know if, let's see there, the lighting, I think the exposure that I have on here. Yeah, so 4-in-1 slimming machine. So it comes with 2 cavitation tools, one large and one small, the small one being for the face. And then you have the 2 ultrasound tools. So we have the big, I'm assuming this is the big one. This is the suction tool, and then we're gonna have the ultrasound tool itself. But y'all, I'm just so excited. It's just giving quality. Look, heavy. I love that it's heavy. Okay, I don't know. Listen, from what I've seen on TikTok Shop, not impressed. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I want right here. Quality, okay? Very heavy. I love that. Okay, let's pull out some of these other contraptions here. We're definitely going to have to read and go through the instructions. And I'll be making a more in-depth video on this as well. So we got some kind of adapter or cord here. Don't know if this is a charging adapter or what. It's a cord that goes, yeah, it looks like that's what goes into the wall. And the attachments, wow. I mean, even the little attachment. This is the face cavitation. Cavitation tightens your skin. I'm going to be making an in-depth video about this FREYARA Cosmetics tool. I'm very excited about it, especially when I go to hook it up. So yeah, love this here. I mean, this is quality, guys. I mean, I just can't get over it. Quality. Looks like the holder to set up here. What else we got here? Cavitation for body. Okay. And wow, this is heavy. Okay, heavy. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah. And let me just say this too. The lady that I was going to get these treatments, her stuff wasn't hitting on none of this. Okay, and that was going to a professional. she ain't hitting on this. I'm sorry. This was quality. This is quality. Okay. All right. Looks like we got one more thing here. What is this? I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all just don't know. Oh, I can't wait to set this up. What is this? Don't know what this is just yet, but we are going to figure. Oh, I think this. Yeah, I think this is for the whole. This is goes here, the holder. Okay. Amen. All right, guys. Let's see, make sure there's nothing else left in this box. Okay. So that's that. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to set it up. And I will be back with another video once I've completed the setup. Okay, y'all, I have the machine hooked up and ready to go. You do not know how excited I am about this. Oh my gosh. So at first I was getting a little discouraged. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, because I was missing one essential step, but baby, don't you worry about it. So the only feedback that I have that would be remotely negative, which, I mean, it's not a bad thing at all because you need this. The cords are very long, and you would need to have like a way to make sure that you're storing it properly, so that the cords are not all over, you know, all in the way. So I would definitely suggest like maybe tying the cords back up when not in use. Other than that, that would probably be literally, when I say literally, the only negative thing that I have to say about this machine. So I ended up bringing it to my bathroom. Because I am getting ready to use it, and I also have my vibration plate as well that I'm getting ready to use. So I wanted to be able to do all of this in the bathroom. So I'm going to go through each one step by step. I cannot stress enough, this is probably a 10 out of 10 purchase. Like, honestly, besides 9.5 out of 10 because of the cords. But again, you want the cords to be long. You will want the cords to be long because you don't want to be trying to reach, you know, or you want it to be able to reach your body from wherever it's sitting. So the long cords is actually not a bad thing. I'm just only talking about like a storage component of using this. So this is the suction. This is probably going to be my favorite part, you guys. Again, these are very heavy, very long. I mean, it's not even as long as it can go. Hold on, let me see if I can show you here. I mean, look at this, very long. So again, it's not a bad thing. You want to be able to move around and maneuver as you're using the machine. So not a bad thing whatsoever. Okay. Now, this is the suction tool. The machine is very simple. Not sure if you can see it. All you have to do is turn the machine on, which there's a little on and off switch back here. Turn the machine on, it's gonna come on. It's gonna say FREYARA, welcome, or enter, hit your language. I wish I could do like my language. I wish I didn't have to do that every time, but it's not a big deal because sometimes I like to speak Spanish, so not a big deal. So you see here you have every option. We start with the cavitation 40K. You have the tripolar here, the multipolar here, and then you have the vacuum radio frequency. Okay. Guys, you just don't know how excited I am about this. And one of the main things I want to show you, this is just a unboxing. Look at what I got. I'm going to make a more in-depth video, probably not this time around because I'm just excited to use the machine and see how it works. So I'm probably not going to do a video of me using the actual machine, but I just wanted to introduce it. I'm going to do a more in-depth video later for anybody who's interested in at-home cavitation and radio frequency, ultrasound frequency, okay? I did want to share my favorite feature so far about this vacuum. So when you get to the section, you could change to different modes, okay? Change to different modes. You can put the timer on, could put the levels as well. Okay, but here's what I want to show you, which is my favorite part. So I'm going to hit start. You can hear it humming, signifying that it's working. So I have it on the lowest setting right now. And that is the lowest setting, guys. Okay? I'm going to turn it up on the highest. Look at that. Insane. Not going nowhere. Not going nowhere. And this is a heavy piece of equipment, guys. Oh, shoot. I stand corrected. I was being a little rough. But still, it is a heavy piece of equipment. Look at that. I'm so excited about this. This is going to be used primarily for my stomach, arms. They said not to use it on your face. They said not to use the cavitation on your face as well. This is strictly for body, okay? So that is that. Okay. Next, we have the tripolar FR. You can put it on modes. The mode is the radio frequency, okay? The infrared, the radio frequency. You can also put it on levels, okay? Simple machine. I'm not going to demonstrate any of these. I'm going to make a video at a later time. I really just wanted to show my excitement and unboxing of this. And yes, guys, this is going to be life-changing for me. I want to contour my own body at home. As you can see, I'm already wearing a waist trainer. My pants are barely even staying up. I've been losing weight. I love that. So yes, this is taking it to the next level because summer 2026, I'm about to be 37 years old. I want to look good. I want to feel good in my skin, and this will be a part of me doing that. So if you watched this far, thank you so much. There's going to be plenty more to come like this of me unboxing really cool at-home spa-like finds and beauty finds to do at home, because who says that you have to spend that much money just to feel good about yourself? So this was at FREYARA Cosmetics, FREYARA.com, $160, but the actual price can go up to $350 for this particular machine on FREYARA. I got it on, like, they were having like a New Year's sale or something like that, so that's how I was able to obtain it for the price that I did, which I'm glad I hopped on it at that time. I'm so happy. This is just going to be life-changing for me. So yes, stay tuned. I'll be making more videos later. Bye.